Little baby wanted to say hi to y'all. Isn't he so cute? What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with a brand new slime video for you and I'm super excited. I have been seeing these videos going around for quite a while now. I know I'm a little late to the trend, but I'm excited to bring you an adding too much to slime. If you haven't heard about this type of video, it's basically where you take one ingredient and you add like too much of it into a slime just to kind of see what the results are. A lot of the times, you're gonna be shook. I'm pretty sure that Talisa Tossel is the one who started this trend. However, a lot of people have been recreating it and doing it, making it their own. So shout out to my girl Talisa because she's amazing. I tried to find ingredients that not too many people have done before, so I hope that you enjoy it. If you're excited, make sure you give this video a big slimy thumbs up for me. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel to become a unicorn. Holden and I would just love you forever if you just subscribe to become a unicorn because that's awesome. And if you wanna go an extra mile, make sure that you turn on your post notifications. And speaking of which, here are the Unicorn Fam shout outs for today. Thank you all so much for being here and having your post notifications on. We really appreciate it and we love you the most. If you would like a Unicorn Fam shout out, all you have to do is comment down below using hashtag Unicorn Fam. Make sure you're subscribed, of course, and have your post notifications on because that helps a lot. YouTube is being real crazy right now, so if you don't have your notifications on, I would suggest that because a lot of videos aren't getting to all the subscribers, and so that's kind of weird, but you know, it happens sometimes and it's just one of those times. Alrighty, we are super excited to get on with the video. Also, I do have a special announcement at the end of the video, so make sure you stay tuned for that, and let's get started, shall we? Okay, so the first thing we're gonna add too much of is these sugar beads. So I just grabbed some clear slime here. It's super clear, and I'm just gonna go ahead and dump that into my bowl here so that we have a base to work with. I did make sure to leave the slime a little bit sticky because of course we're gonna be adding way too much sugar beads, and I wanna make sure that we keep in as many of the beads as possible so that I don't make a big mess, you know? So now that I have my slime in a bigger bowl to work with, I'm going to go ahead and add in 1 drop of this neon green food coloring. Comment down below in the comment section, do you think that's neon green or yellow? Because people are conflicted on the internet, I don't know. And then I also added in some black glitters because I'm actually wanting to make this like a kiwi sugar scrub kind of slime. So that is what I'm doing now. I'm just mixing those 2 ingredients into this slime here just to give us the base, like I said. I love how the base came out. It really looks like a kiwi slime, and I kind of am sad that I have to like destroy it with all of these beads, but we're gonna do it. So I'm adding in these chip beads here from Slime by Maddie Ray. They are normally called sugar beads, but for her brand they call them chip beads. So that is what we're gonna be using today. I'm using 2 whole bags of them, and if you've ever made a sugar scrub slime, you know that that is just a ridiculous amount. So let's just do it.
Knife warning.
This slime definitely had a lot of fallout, but I thought it was pretty fun to play with. It hurt a little bit just because of all the beads. They're kind of sharp when there's like a bunch of them in there. What I think I'm going to do is I'm going to actually fix this, and I'm going to scent it like kiwi, and I'm actually going to put it on the shop for a discounted price during this week's restock on Friday. So if you want to snatch it, make sure that you are there. Alrighty, next up is the classic adding too much of glitter to slime. So I'm starting off by adding some clear slime into a small bowl here just because I kind of wanted to get it like aesthetically pleasing. Don't know if I accomplished that, but I did the best of my ability, you know what I'm saying? So I'm going to go ahead and add the glitter in now, just various glitters. I have a whole bunch of glitters, so I just literally picked from the glitter drawer because that's what we call it here at the slime shop, and yeah. This honestly looks so pretty and I wish I could just keep it like this forever, but that is not the point of this video, so let's just go ahead and mix it in. The glitters definitely made this slime a lot thicker, and I'm not gonna lie, it actually made it a little bit tough as well. It wasn't as stretchy, it was a little bit harder to poke, but I just thought it's still beautiful. It kind of looks like a moon to me, I don't know why. Alrighty, and the last ingredient that we are adding way too much of into slime are foam beads. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with this thick school glue base that I made prior to leaving for Slimer's Turf. So it is nice, thick, and glossy already for me. And I'm just going to go ahead and take half of this and put it in my bowl. Now the foam beads I'm going to be adding in are these orange and green large foam beads. These are actually horrible. I bought these on eBay, which I would not suggest because every foam bead that I have bought from eBay literally bleeds into the slime and just completely ruins the color. So that is why I don't feel bad sacrificing these. So I have a bag of orange and a bag of green. I'm just going to go ahead and dump that into the bowl and mix them in. Okay, watching these beads just slowly fall into the slime is so pleasing to me and satisfying. Comment down below and let me know if you agree because I'm shook. So it's at this point where you can literally see the beads like just dyeing the slime like a nasty greenish brown color. It is definitely not pleasing whatsoever. These beads are horrible. I kid you not, literally by the end of the video, all of the beads were white and the slime was like a greenish brown color. It was gross. That bubble pop though, I will say that this slime definitely gives great bubble pops, but it has a major fallout problem with the beads. Just because there's so many of them, the slime can't really hold it all in, and that's because the slime was as well a little bit on the sticky side just to kind of hold everything in, so that was fun. Alrighty y'all, that is pretty much it for this video. I really hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to help your boy out and give it a big slimy thumbs up for me. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel to become a unicorn. If you've gotten this far, just subscribe already. So I'm sure many of you know that I'm actually going to be a VIP at Slime Bash 2, but I also wanted to announce that I am actually going to be a VIP at Slime Bash 3 as well. It's going to be in Daytona, Florida, and I'm super excited. If you want links to the tickets, I believe the first wave is sold out, but I'm gonna update this video with links so that you can go ahead and check it out, and then in my other videos, I'll make sure to post links for the ticket link as well. Also, I'm super excited to announce that I'm actually going to be going to another event right after Slime Bash 2, and I'm super excited for it. It's actually going to be in New York City. It is the New York City Slime Expo. So mark your calendars for November 3rd. I'm also going to leave a link down in the description box for tickets. Holden is trying to literally eat my hand. But yeah, I am super excited for the Slime Expo as well, because if you're not able to purchase tickets for Slime Bash 2 and you're in the New York City or Connecticut area or like any of the surrounding areas really, then you could totally come and meet me. Even if you are going to Slime Bash 2 and you just want to hang out again, then come on through. It's going to be a lot of fun. I'm actually booked for other events as well that have not been announced yet, so I might be coming to a city near you, so make sure that you stay tuned for those announcements. And yeah, thank you all so much for watching. I love you all very freaking much, and we will see you all next time. Bye!
Talk behind my back, but never up in my face, though. I just want my money, chips, guac, and queso. Dame un beso.